Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. New month, new highs? Question mark. We're going to be discussing that. So if you guys are enjoying these daily updates that I'm bringing you guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of July the 1st, 2023, we're seeing Pepe currently sitting at 156, still about 5 zeros in front of the price, down about 5% in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. But let's not forget, guys, the month of June really closed on such a positive note. We saw a lot of FUD coming in, a lot of uncertainty, people, giving up on Pepe. But we saw Pepe make a massive statement for itself. And, we need to give the month of June some love. We don't need to say that it was a worst month. It was a great month, to be quite honest. And let's see how this month of July really plays out for the price of Pepe. So if we're looking at its market cap, $657.9 million, and the 24-hour trading volume has currently decreased a little bit, currently sitting at 111.8 million. But of course, the question is, what really is next? If we're looking at their Twitter, the Twitter follower count is growing at a tremendous rate. 347.2k followers, potentially could be reaching that 350k mark this weekend. So things are looking insane. And speaking about insane, you can see how insane their engagement really is. So in terms of people coming in and looking at their tweets, 161.5k just posted yesterday, and you can see this for yourself. We're seeing a pattern playing out for it. You can see this for yourself. A lot of eyes coming in, and this is not a surprise at all because Pepe community is growing at a tremendous rate. New holders coming in at a tremendous rate. July 1st and another all-time high in the holder count, guys. And this is not surprising whatsoever. I've told you guys this from the beginning. The holder count is increasing day by day because the interest that Pepe has right now, literally in the cryptocurrency community. Obviously, there's certain coins that are being talked about, but one that is being talked about on the daily is Pepe. It is the next Shiba Inu, in my opinion. Again, that's my opinion. I'm not putting down on Shiba Inu, but because Shiba Inu, they have a real utility, but people continue to fail to understand that Pepe right now is starting exactly the way Shiba Inu has started. And that time, Shiba did not also have a utility, but what we're seeing happening is a very similar start out pattern. But, once we do, go back, compared to these all-time highs, where, parabolic season begins, cryptocurrencies hitting all-time high, who knows if the Pepe development community is going to bring out a utility. You can't say they're not going to, right? No one can come out and say, that Pepe can't bring out a utility for this token as well. And what I'm starting to think is that every cycle is going to have its own meme coin. Are they going to be here in the next 10 to 20 years? Who knows? Who knows? But what we know for sure right now is that everyone is speaking about Pepe, and it is claimed as the, meme coin of this cycle. And I 100% agree with this, and I think it is coming for the Shiba Inu spot. So now, you guys know what time it is. It's time to discuss the price. Am I worried? Is it looking bearish? That's what everyone wants to know. So if we're looking at the market cap, once again, $653.7 million. Let's look at the bigger picture. And I cannot be more, literally, I kid you guys not, I cannot be more bullish on the way Pepe has held. Because look what's happening with BTC. Bitcoin is, let's zoom into Bitcoin charts. Why is it all zoomed out? So you guys can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is, obviously forming a green candle. But yesterday we saw the price of Bitcoin fall down to $29,500 after the SEC announcement came out that, the proposals are inadequate. But we've seen the price of Bitcoin, bounce back above $30,600. But what we're seeing happening with Pepe is, of course, holding really strong. We didn't even see the price of Pepe retest the June 29th lows. Yes, of course, Pepe reacted to the announcement after the SEC came out. Honestly, the entire cryptocurrency did, because Bitcoin saw the price drop down to 29,500 as I shared. So we did see the price of Pepe go down all the way to this support line. But once again, the support line played out as a level of support, and it's really exciting to see how well Pepe is holding, and it hasn't even retested this support as of now, and I am extremely bullish on this project, as I've shared with you guys from the beginning, and I think it is going to shock a lot of people. It's holding really strong, exactly how if you are a crypto analyst or if you are a holder, you do want to see the Pepe's price holding above this level of support. The reason as to why I say that is because if it was showing us that it's continuously bouncing below this level of support, that shows there is a massive weakness in this support, but that's not what's happening. Of course, you can say, oh, it went down on the 28th, but that's all because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the reason as to why that happened. But now also Bitcoin dominance has decreased quite a bit. It hasn't, pulled back towards the upside. So, could this honestly be the time where we see, the altcoin season really start? Is that going to be a possibility? Possibly. But what I would like Pepe to do is actually stay above this level of support. I honestly don't care if it stays above here for another week or so, or even 2 weeks, because guess what that does? That only makes this support line stronger. And then I think, a pop out would be very beneficial. The next target remains the exact same, guys. It remains the exact same, which is at 32.67% gain from the current price levels, which would put the price of Pepe obviously at this 2065 cents mark, and its market cap at $1 billion. But I've shared this with you guys before too, that if I do see the price go here, I will see a rejection, in my opinion, because you could see this for yourself. It's a massive level of resistance. We retested it after breaking below it a few times, but all the 3 different times it retested that zone, it was rejected around there. So that shows that it is a very important level of resistance. But if we do have a lot of buying pressure, Bitcoin is hitting new yearly highs, we could potentially see Pepe breaking out as like butter. And of course, right now we are not even listed on Binance, Robinhood, and all those other big exchanges that are still missing, but I think they're coming. They're aware of the power Pepe has. Don't underestimate that. They are all aware as to how powerful Pepe community is, and how this project could be the next Shiba Inu. And remember, all these exchanges at the end of the day work against one another. They're all businesses at the end of the day, and why would they be okay having Pepe listed on their competitors' exchanges, and now Gemini has listed it? That is huge, guys. Gemini has listed this, and I'm sure Coinbase people are looking at Gemini and why are they listed? But remember, there's a lot of regulations that go into play before a listing can happen. But I think that listing is coming. That is going to trigger something even bigger. It's going to open its doors to millions and millions of new users, new holders, that could flow in billions of dollars into potentially Pepe. And similar to what we've seen with Shiba Inu, I think that is what we're going to see with Pepe this bull cycle. But of course, only time is going to tell. For today's update, of course, loving the way it's holding, guys. You can't ask for anything better. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going this month of July. I'm still stuck in June. And also, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that right now is the weekend, and you guys know on the weekend CME futures are closed, so we could see manipulation, and that's one thing you guys want to keep your eyes out on. But that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.